Hello, this is Emma of EmmaLiveYoga and welcome to day 7 of our 30-day Ashtanga Yoga Challenge. So today we're going to focus on Utthitha Trikonasana, extended triangle pose, and all of the different options that you can take for this posture. So I'd like you to choose your base, whether you're seated or standing. Bring the hands to Anjali Mudra. We'll begin as always with the opening chant. Taking a breath in. Bande Gurunam Charanarabinde Samdashti Satsva Subara Bodhe Nishte Se Jankai Kayamani Samsala Muha Shanti Abahu Kurushikaram Shankachakrasi Tarinam Sahasrashvarasam Shvetam Pranamani Patanjalim Om. So coming to an upright position, either seated or standing, as we come to Samastitihi, hands by the sides of the body. Samastitihi means to be ready. So are you ready? Let's begin with Surya Namaskar A. Remember, you can stand with your feet hip distance or together. See how your back feels. Ekam, inhale, scoop up. Dve, exhale, fold forwards. Remember your options here with your knees. Trini, inhale, lengthen the spine, keep the hands on the floor. Chaturvati, exhale, lower down, Chaturanga. Pancha, inhale, back bend of choice, see what works for you today. Shat, exhale, downward dog or child. 1, settle into the breath. If the legs are a bit tight, feel free to bicycle the legs. 3, lift and lower the heels as you wish. 4, remember Bandha, Dristi, Ujjayi. And 5, look forwards, inhale, come through, lift the chest or step jog or jump. Sukta, Ashtanga, exhale, let the head dangle. Nava, inhale, rise all the way up. And exhale, Samastitihi. We'll do one more A. Ekam, inhale. Dve, exhale. Good. 3, inhale. If you're stepping back, try and always alternate the legs. Chaturvati, exhale. Pancha, inhale. That's your back bend or chest lift. Sha, exhale. 1, even out the breath. 2, we're in downward dog, firm the muscles of the legs, draw the kneecaps gently in. 3, reaching the heels towards the mat. 4, if you're in child, just try and relax around the shoulders and sink back. And 5, look forwards. Inhale, come through, Supta, or lift the chest. Ashtanga, exhale, head dangles. Nava, inhale, rise up. And exhale, Samastitihi. So we have Surya Namaskar B next. I'm going to come down to modification just to remind you in case you've forgotten the options for Surya B from a seated or forced position in this case. If you want to stay standing, that's fine. Surya Namaskar B. Inhale, lift the chest, lift the arms, sit back. That's it. Exhale to fold. Head dangles. Inhale to lift. Exhale, legs back and lowering. Inhale, step through. Right leg, palms touch. Exhale, all the way down. Mini dip if you're doing my version. Inhale to lift. Sink the pelvis forward. That's your upward dog. Exhale to dog. Sink back. Left leg. Inhale, left leg. Palms touch. Exhale, all the way down. Inhale to lift. So now you can do a full version or a mini dip version. Exhale to dog or child. 1, even out the breath. 2, Deepening the breath into the back muscles. 3. Keep your eyes open. 4. Maintain drishti, bandha, and breath. These are the principles. 5. Look forward, lift the head if you're down here. Inhale, come through, step, jog or jump. Exhale to fold, let the head dangle. Inhale, sit back, palms together and lift. Exhale, samasthiti. For modification, this option, you're going to come through to standing, and then we will all on the inhale step out to the right side. So big step out to the right, then turn the feet also over to the right. So both toes, sets of toes point in that direction. Bring the hands to the hips and try to level out the hips. So now you might want to hitch one hip up, try to avoid that. Try to level out the hips. Now, a nice option is to shorten the stance. So if you've got any SI, sacroiliac issues going on, keep the hips level and shorten the stance. The knees are straight, but they're not locked. So you might need to also, when we come forward, if you've got any lower back issues, you might need to micro bend that right knee, and that's okay. Okay, so from here, inhale, take the arms out to shoulder height. If the issue is the shoulders, the hands will be staying on the hips. Okay. Otherwise, we do the Utthita lean. Utthita means to extend. So we push off the back heel and we inhale, extend forward. So first option here on the exhale is to bring the right hand above the right knee and just drop the left hand onto the hip and look straight ahead. Good. Now you can drop the shoulders back. You can feel a real nice openness. You're trying to stack the hips as opposed to the back collapsing forward. So you might stay here. Another option is to slide the hand to the shin. So not on the knee, to onto the shin. And this time you might see if you can lift the gaze to look over the shoulder or not. So again, choose your drishti. It might be the big toe, straight ahead or up. Keep breathing. If this is comfortable, you might slide the hand down to the ankle, but be aware of what happens with your back. If this happens to your back, it's too far a step. So you want to have this real nice openness and just take it to wherever you need to. If you can easily take the big toe, do so. So see what happens to my back when I take my big toe. At the moment, my back's not happy. So that's my cue to slide up here. If you're happy and can keep this line, go for it. So another option is to float the arm up into space, not back, but up into space. Again, you might choose to look towards the fingertips. 2. Steady breathing. 3. So those are all your options. 4. I'm going to lift out of it because that feels good. 5. Look down. Squeeze the pelvic floor. Inhale, lift up. Take the arms out to parallel. Now pivot the feet as we change direction to the left. Same things apply. Nicely level hips. I want you to choose the best option for yourself. Inhale, Utthita lean. Exhale, bring the hands to wherever you can organically that feels good in your back. You might be different on this side. 1. So remember, this is an option. Hand above the knee, look straight ahead, stay happy. 2, you might slide down to the shin, lift the gaze. 3, you might slide down to the ankle, float the arm up into space, but try and relax around the shoulders and neck. 4, reach back with the sitting bones as you reach forward with the crown of the head. We've got all these directional forces. We've got all these mini triangles going on as well. Good. 5, look down. Inhale. You can bend the knee for comfort to come up or straight leg, however you wish. And exhale. From here, just scooch the feet towards each other. So beginner's class, nice and easy. Bring the hands to the hips and then step through samasthiti. So we come to the front of the mat, ready for our journey to the 3 lotuses. Remember, you can do seated vinyasa or standing vinyasa. Ekam, inhale. Dve, exhale, and fold. Trini, inhale, lift the chest, hands down the floor. Chakvare, exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha, inhale, back bend of choice. Shak, exhale, downward dog. Bend the knees, look forward, step, jog or jump through to seated. See what's doable as we come to Padmasana. You remember this one. This is the second piece of bread in the sandwich. Wrap the arms around the back. Remember your options. Inhale, lift the chest. Exhale, folding. 1, drop the gaze to the nose. 2, keep the back of the neck long. 3, focus on the breath. 4, see how you can let go. 5, 6, 7, stay aware. How are your knees? How is your back? 8, sometimes less is more. Be where you need to be. 9, 10. Squeeze Mula Bandha, inhale, lift up. Padmasana. Exhale, remember the pressure as if holding the wing of a butterfly, first finger and thumb. Straight lines of energy. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, chin to chest. 1. Focus on the breath in the nostrils. 2. Slight constriction in the back of the throat. Remember, we practice Ujjayi in the first day. 3, 4, relax the facial muscles and the jawline. 5, breathe in deeply. 6, 7, activating where necessary, relaxing where possible. 8, 9, 10. Inhale, look up. Exhale, release the hands. Utplutihi, to lift up. We've got the final sting in the tail. Remember your options here. Hands by the hips. Inhale, exhale, lifting. 1, engage or lift up if you can. 2, good. 3, so I'm doing an option which is without the lotus. 4, stay strong. 5, halfway there. 6, if you go down, come back up, lift it, lift it. 7, see if you can lift the ankles. 8, keep working, look straight ahead. 9, you can do it, draw your abdominals in. 10, exhale, well done. Circle out the wrists. Guess what? We've got our final vinyasa to freedom. You can do this from seated. You can do this by taking the legs back. You're taking the legs back. Remember, you take the feet, hide the feet. You can step or jump back into plank position. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, lift the chest if you're seated. Exhale, downward dog, hollow the back. Step, jog or jump through. And we come down to our friend Shavasana. Open the palms of the hands, floppy ankles. Take a big inhale. Exhale. And again, big inhale. Exhale. Last one. Big inhale. Exhale. Letting go, Bandha, Dristi, Ujjayi, and count. Allowing the body and mind to drift towards stillness, absorbing the prana like a sponge for a short time. Wish to stay longer, be my guest, enjoy your Shavasana. Otherwise, begin to deepen the breath. Bringing some gentle movements to fingers and toes as you move the head slowly from side to side. And then reaching the arms back for a full body stretch. Big inhale. Exhale. Bending at the knees, bending at the elbows, hug the knees in, say thank you to the body. Meeting any challenges. Have a rock and you can roll over to one side. Pause for a moment. Cultivate a seed of gratitude, whatever that might be. And then pressing carefully up to comfortable seated. As we close our practice, I hope you're feeling good after that practice. Any shifts that have gone on, I hope they're all good ones. Bringing the hands to Anjali Mudra to give thanks for our health and our practice. Inhale, lift, prayer hands up. Exhale, namaste. So thank you for practicing with me on day 6. I hope you can join me for day 7. If you're enjoying the series, remember to like the class, make a comment, subscribe to the channel. Take care.